Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I'll be taking Japan's only daily operated sleeper train. So I'm here at the iconic Tokyo station because this is the first station of that sleeper train. It's so nice at night. These lights are way brighter than my future. Nice. This is my first ever time riding the sleeper train, so I'm very excited. I've always watched YouTube videos about it. Thinking that you're sleeping on a train just feels weird. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my experience taking this train. I'm going to be showing you the room, and hopefully you'll enjoy it as well. Alright, I'm here at the platform. A lot of things happened before I got here. The first thing was that I got lost trying to get Starbucks. It took me 30 minutes just to find a Starbucks and order my Frappuccino. On the bright side, that killed quite a lot of time. The next train that's going to arrive in this platform is the Sunrise, Izumo, and Seto at 9:50. It is 9:23 p.m. right now. Oh, what the heck? It comes this early? Oh, here it is. Oh my god, the Sunrise, Izumo, and Seto. Wow. Well, here's the front part of the Sunrise Express. Okay, so I got my ticket out. I'll be sitting in number 21 of car 2. It is a single room, which is the most common room for this sleeper train, and it's non-smoking room, thankfully. It says it's not in service though, so I might have to wait a bit until they actually open it. Oh. Just when I said that, it's getting ready. Ooh. There you go. Okay. Wow. Here's the bathroom. 1 to 29 is the upper deck, and 1 to 14 is the lower deck. 21 just on upper deck. This is where I'll be staying in. Okay, before I get too excited, I'm going to make sure this is the right room. Because, yeah, I'm on 21, but I have to make sure this is car number 2. Okay, this is car number 2. And this is 21. And, yeah, car number 2, 21. Okay. This is the right room. I'm here! Woo! Alright, as for the room size, it's pretty spacious. It's not as bad as I thought. And this is even the most spacious room, right? This single deluxe and single twin. It kind of reminds me like a capsule hotel, but obviously it's way better. Because you get the view of the train over here. It comes with pajamas. It comes with a cup. That's cool, I guess. That will be all the amenities for this. If you get the single deluxe, you get like everything, like toothbrush, toothpaste, and tons of like amenity stuff. So I brought my toothbrush today. So yeah, here are my 2 tickets. One is the Jōshaken, so the base fare ticket, and the one on the left is the Tokkyuken or the Shindaiken, the express, the sleeper express ticket. I know I said I showered, but I'm a bit sweaty already because first off, I sweat whenever I'm like stressed out or I panic a bit. And I tend to panic at Tokyo Station every single time I come here because I either get lost or get overwhelmed by the number of people. So here's a Starbucks vanilla Frappuccino that took me 30 minutes to get. This is probably the most rewarding Frappuccino I've had in my life. Alright, so here's the overall room tour. Here's a table area. It has enough space for me to leave my headphones, my food, my Starbucks bag, and all that stuff. There's the electric cord over there. As for behind me, here's a hanger, my bed, and there's some space over here where you can leave your bag. And it also comes with slippers. And there's the buttons for the lights, and you can apparently listen to the radio here if you plug in your headphones here and play around with that. And here's the clock, 9:45 a.m. and there's a heater. And last but not least, here's the window. Here's what the window view looks like. It is a Wednesday night today, so there'll probably be a decent amount of people leaving around this time because they just finished drinking, or some of them even finished work. This feels very awkward. Should I close my window? I'll just close my window and I'll open it once the train starts running. Okay, another question I have is, Does this train have Wi-Fi? Most of express trains have Wi-Fi. Oh, it does. Okay. It's moving. Maybe I should go. It's kind of hard to find a good angle to film this, huh? Maybe I have to turn off the light. Let's see. There you go. Oh, there you go. That's a much better view. Wow, another bullet train. There's like this unfortunate dilemma for this sleeper train. You want to stay up as much as possible so you can enjoy the view, but at the same time, if you don't sleep, you're going to like be so tired because this train will arrive at Takamatsu at 7:20 a.m. Hi, お願いします。はい、先生ありがとうございます。Alright, editor Tanner can put the text down here. I'm gonna change to my pajamas now. Today I just did my best to not drink any coffee so that I can sleep well. And I think that strategy is working because I'm already tired. Oh, it doesn't even have any pockets. That's not too convenient. I'm just going to take a walk. Oh wait, we just got to Yokohama Station. Oh, there's another area over here. I think this is where you can brush your teeth. I probably put on my pajamas a bit too early. The door just closed from Yokohama, and after Yokohama I think it's gonna go to Atami. So it'll be a good time for me to enjoy the night view like this. I'm lying down right now and the bed is not bad. It's more comfortable than I thought. I remember taking the night bus and that being an absolute disaster. I couldn't sleep because there was no privacy and people were snoring, and the lights will turn on quite often because it'll take you to those break areas. Crap, I'm sleepy already. I gotta do my best to stay up a little bit longer. Chart over here shows what room is in what car. So I'm in car number 2, so there's only single and single twin. I think we saw the solo for number 3. Number 4 is a single deluxe. This is the best room. And then B sunrise twin. And then car number 5 and 12, it's B single. And then Nobi Nobi Saseki. So these are the ones where it's not a private room. It's like an open space. Go to car number 5. It's gonna be quite a walk from here. Hopefully I don't know if there's many people there. It smells like cigarettes. just post an image. I'll put an image over here. Here is the vending machine. I was gonna say water's pretty cheap, but it's also pretty small. And they already have coffee, water, tea, Coca-Cola, and an energy drink. Oh, and here's the shower room. But you need the shower card to use it. Oh yeah, this is the shower card vending machine, but it says over here sales in. It's pretty competitive, I heard. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to give you much of a tour for other rooms. Oh, what the heck?
これから先の放送によるご案内はお休みの妨げとなりますので、緊急時を除きまして一時中断させていただきます。次の放送は翌朝岡山到着前からご案内いたします。何点かお願いがございます。お休みの妨げになるような大きな声でのお話はご遠慮ください。特にラウンジ内でのお話には配慮をお願いいたします。重ねまして携帯電話は音の出ない状態にしていただきますようお願いいたします。防犯のためお部屋から出られる際は必ず鍵をおかけください。車掌室は5号車と14号車です。車内巡回中以外は車掌室におりますので、ご用の際には車掌室までお越しください。
So my plan is to stay up until Atami Station and brush my teeth and sleep so I can wake up a bit early so I can see the morning view of Okayama Station and the bridge that takes you to Takamatsu Station. I heard that view is nice. Oh, holy crap. It's kind of hard to tell from here, but the ocean looks very terrifying. I think this is, yeah, we are passing by Nebukova Station now. I finished brushing my teeth. It's still 11:16 p.m. and we're almost at Atami Station. So I think I'm just gonna edit my other videos. Okay, I thought they had Wi-Fi here, but they don't. The JR Wi-Fi I connected earlier when I was at Tokyo Station, I think that was like the Wi-Fi specifically at that area. It's not the Wi-Fi for this train. The video I'm editing is the Akita Shinkansen video. You can watch that later on if you haven't already. I could still edit, but I think it will be more important for me to sleep so that I can wake up on time so I can enjoy the morning views. Alright, I'm gonna go sleep now, so I'll see you in a couple of hours. Okay, I literally just woke up. It's making announcements saying the next station is Okayama. Wow, what a view, huh? View of a freaking wall. I heard that this train can get delayed because of the weather or because it hit an animal. But as of right now, it seems to be running normally, so that's good. As for my sleeping experience, overall, it was weird. There were times where I was having a hard time sleeping because the train would be shaking often, but then at the same time there were times where the train felt super smooth, so I was able to sleep well. I did wake up like 2 to 3 times. I thought I would be okay without turning on the heater, but I was absolutely wrong. It got pretty cold at like 3 to 4 a.m.
6時31分の発車です。サンライズ出雲号は6時34分の発車になります。 ホームに降りられる際にはお乗り間違い、お乗り遅れなさいませんよう十分ご注意ください。
Alright, we are here at Okayama Station. Next time I take this train, I'm going to make sure I get off at Okayama Station so I can see the decoupling process. It is 6:30 a.m. on a Thursday right now, so you'll probably see people commuting to work or school. They finished decoupling and this train will leave right now.
This is the Sunrise Seto bound for Takamatsu. The next stop is Kojima. After leaving Kojima, we will be stopping at Sakaine.
Here we are. Wow, this is so cool.
This is the Sunrise Seto bound for Takamatsu. The next stop is Takamatsu Station.
This train was running for almost 10 hours. Jeez. Shout out to the train drivers and conductors during like irregular hours. Without them, these trains wouldn't be possible. So I really appreciate them. I'm gonna lie down for the last time. Wait, this makes me sleepy. Maybe I'm gonna stop.
ご乗車ありがとうございました。まもなく終点高松です。お降りの際は車内にお忘れ物のないようお手回り品にご注意ください。サンライズ瀬戸号をご利用くださいましてありがとうございました。
Okay, well, thank you for car 2, room 21, single room, for this amazing experience. Alright, we just arrived at Takamatsu Station. Here's the Sunrise Express in the morning. There's probably going to be way more people taking a picture of it before going. Alright, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I really want to ride this train again next time to head over to Izumo and to take the single deluxe so I can show you that cool experience too. The algorithm thinks you'll like this video over here, so feel free to check that video out as well. Alright, bye bye.